Concerned about the regulatory gray area and the inherent volatility of digital assets, Vanguard has taken a cautious approach to Bitcoin investment products. Prior to the launch of Bitcoin investment products, Vanguard made it clear that it was not interested in providing such services since it saw little merit in digital assets as an investment vehicle. Bill Morgan, also known as XRP Lawyer, has made a daring prediction about upcoming personnel changes at Vanguard over the next 6 months. XRP Lawyer foresaw a major leadership transition at the company as a consequence of Vanguard's choice. This gives the impression that the decision-maker may not have a long stay at Vanguard. A lawyer for XRP has responded to the impending resignation of Tim Buckley, CEO of Vanguard. The decision by Buckley to resign as CEO of Vanguard has significant implications, especially when viewed through the lens of the earlier prediction by the XRP Lawyer. The timing of Buckley's leaving, which came immediately after Vanguard's selection regarding Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, has prompted speculation about the likelihood of internal strife within the company. The business's strategy on Bitcoin investments would be affected by this. A lawyer for XRP was taken aback by how quickly things escalated after hearing about Tim Buckley's early departure. According to him, he may have underestimated how quickly things were changing at Vanguard in his previous forecast. These two remarks were made in reaction to recent events. There is a lot of unpredictability in the company, as the XRP Lawyer admitted in an honest statement that he should have expected Buckley to retire within the next 6 weeks. For further details, read this article. Innovative coin with a value of $0 in wine, attracting wealthy individuals in Solana Sol and sparking speculation in the cryptocurrency industry about Vanguard's potential future trajectory. Following Tim Buckley's early retirement from Vanguard, the digital asset management company, the cryptocurrency market has been rife with intense speculation about the company's future. The impact of Buckley's resignation on Vanguard's stance on cryptocurrency investments and the company's broader strategic orientation in the dynamic financial sector is being carefully examined by analysts and investors. In light of recent events, more people are paying heed to the prediction made by an XRP lawyer about the upcoming staff changes at Vanguard. The rapid departure of Tim Buckley from Vanguard has forced XRP Lawyer to reconsider his perceptions on the inner workings of the firm, even though it was formerly thought to be an audacious forecast. The underlying reasons behind these changes inside the organization have been questioned as a result. Bitcoin and Ethereum both had banner months in February, bringing to mind the incredible runs both cryptocurrencies had in 2020 and 2022, respectively. The Bitcoin price, as the price of Ethereum rose beyond $3,400, the SEC experienced a brief recovery from its thrilling $64,000 milestone. Experts attribute the most recent uptick to changes in supply and demand, which have been amplified by over $2 billion pouring into Bitcoin exchanges, trading funds, and ETFs, as well as anticipation of the halving event in early April. In the background, meanwhile, amid this market confidence, there are crucial dates in Ripple's XRP legal dispute with the SEC. It is possible that other digital assets will be impacted by the outcome of this battle. Regardless of the litigation, investors are waiting with bated breath for the court to rule on the CC's request to set the trial date for the class action case for April 15, 2024. The timing of this event is perfect since XRP is rapidly approaching its 2024 peak. The already fascinating market voyeuristic position is further shrouded in uncertainty by the growing sense of expectation around Ripple's XRP court challenges. Everyone in the cryptocurrency community is keeping a careful eye on what's happening with Scapes Mania, and the market is buzzing with enthusiasm. There is a lot of excitement building up for the token production event and its expected listing on the DEX. Regardless, the event's pre-sale phase is already over. Benefit from Scapes Mania and ride the innovation wave. The cryptocurrency community has been discussing Scapes Mania since its public auction concluded. At an unprecedented rate, the initiative was able to raise over $6,125,000, and there's a good chance that the token's worth might increase exponentially in the future. Right now, everyone is concentrating on the next listing on PancakeSwap. In case you missed it, the CEO announced the date at a recent Ask Me Anything session. You have less and less time to make the most of your potential earnings because the token supply is fewer than it was before and market conditions are stronger than average. Your chance to join is literally a click away, therefore it would be a horrible shame to let it pass you by now. There would be no other chance to boost returns after listing than this. The Scapes Mania team has extensive expertise in the industry and has established a successful strategy for post-listing marketing. Through buyback, burn, staking, and all the other perks that holders receive, it is feasible to keep the community engaged and attract new adopters at the same time. Backers will have a say in the direction of a growing industry and a chance to profit from it through the DAO's governance. The token's practicality is also noteworthy. This meme coin is different from others since it doesn't depend heavily on fads and hype to gain traction. Taking advantage of the market's growth potential, this project, which serves as a gaming environment, is titled Scapes Mania and is balanced and meticulously organized. The casual gaming industry in which it operates is worth billions of dollars. Following the launch of the cryptocurrency, holders can expect easier trading and more liquidity. The likelihood of long-term growth is enhanced by a solid structure for token management. So far, with over 60,000 followers, it's clear that the community is really behind the idea. Scapes Mania may go from specialized to mainstream platform faster than expected due to the growing demand from crypto titans with deposits above $20,000. A number of reputable security firms have verified the safety of Scapes Mania's smart contract, so investors may rest easy. Additionally, PancakeSwap's listing is coming soon, and SEC listings are still under development. Another well-known feature of Scapes Mania is its top-notch cliff vesting system, which serves to discourage token dumping and maintains a healthy supply and demand ratio for future growth. You should use the opportunity to take advantage of any deals and potentially outsmart the competition because they're quickly approaching. You must move swiftly if you desire to be the initial applicant for any post-listing possibilities, especially those with the potential to be extremely profitable. In the ongoing legal battle between the SEC and Ripple over XRP, a so-called watershed moment in the annals of cryptocurrency regulation, the parties involved have until March 13th to submit documents pertaining to potential remedies. Nevertheless, the deadline could be pushed back until March 22nd. The impact of the 2023 decision on XRP programmatic sales is something that the Securities and Exchange Commission is still trying to figure out. This discovery happened at test shortly after Vanguard reached a judgment about Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. What this means for the company's strategy towards Bitcoin investments is uncertain. A lawyer for XRP was taken aback by how quickly things escalated after hearing about Tim Buckley's early resignation. According to him, he may have underestimated how quickly things were changing at Vanguard in his previous forecast. These two remarks followed reports in the media. The fact that an XRP lawyer admitted in an honest and open remark that he should have expected Buckley to quit within the next week shows that the organization is very unsure. Read this article to get all the details. That's all for now. A number of influential members of the XRP community have taken the position that the XRP tokens that are being held in escrow by Ripple play a crucial part in the process of transforming the asset into a worldwide reserve currency. Edward Farina, who is the head of global adoption for XRP Healthcare, and Versan Al-Jura, who is the creator of Black Swan Capitalist, are the individuals who express this sentiment. Recently, Farina and Al-Jura held a live session in which they discussed the potential of XRP to serve as a global reserve currency. This talk has received renewed attention as a result of a piece that was published by the Crypto Basic. Specifically, the study emphasized words made by the chief executive officer of a German venture capital business. In this statement, the CEO said that XRP had the potential to become a worldwide reserve currency due to its ability to facilitate payments across international borders. While this was going on, Farina and Al-Jura brought a fresh perspective to the discussion by asserting that XRP tokens that are held in escrow may be used as a reserve currency.